Probably not the best shot right there.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me.
Alright, so we're back out here, third day. I got the wife and kid coming out to hang out. Looks like it's going to be a real nice day. I think I'll load the trailer while Jade can unload the trailer and I can use the tractor and try and drag those skids over. I really rutted the ground up dragging those other skids. I didn't realize how bad, but I'll have to kind of take your time and unload them properly, you know, like if the little machine just can't handle it. So yeah, let's just keep on trucking here. Alright, I always said the channel needed more sex appeal.
Be honest, I know you too. Walking down through the fields, I still want you. Stay away from me.
What's that cord? Or, oh, that's...
Oh, that's our branch I dragged over. We call this the Gilbert family picnic. see what you're saying.
Yeah.
These ones are built pretty heavy duty, eh?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Not like our original design, which was like deck boards and, well, I guess that's a deck board.
Yeah,
The
fine.
thicker ones.
Just a dry wood. Here, I can even pass it to you.
Is that easier?
Yeah. Like I did before when I was, what, 40 weeks pregnant?
Yeah, Jade chopped all this wood, 40 weeks pregnant. Oh, you're all sweaty.
I know you were coming in pretty hot there.
Okay, I guess I need the trailer then.
So, I stole the camera from Eddie, and progress was definitely made on the homestead today. We did a few skids here. Sorry, tilted the camera there. Filled a few skids with wood. Got a space right there. Hold on, right there for another one. And then we'll fill the rest of these with some more wood that we have. So that's about it for today. Our next step is going to be to cut down this tree right there and make room for some more skids. And then there's Eddie trapped in a cage with Maya. So that's that. Thanks for tuning in, and click the subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon.